The next thing I'm going to talk about is Mars in Libra. Now, Mars is the planet that basically indicates your ability to act and where your willpower lies. Yours is in Libra, which is the sign of partnerships and marriage. So your willpower and your want to take action is mainly focused on your relationships. It could be that relationships and partnerships is something that you really, really want, and you base most of your actions on either being in a relationship or possibly entering a relationship. So whatever things that you do, whatever actions that you take these actions with the motivation in your mind that you will get into a relationship somehow. So for example, what this means is that everything that you do in your day-to-day life, you have the back thought of, how is this action going to bring me my potential mate or my potential lover? With a Libra Mars, you can also be a little bit of a scattered flirt. So you might meet a person, think they're extremely beautiful, extremely interesting, you'll be extremely interested in them, you'll form some kind of connection or some kind of liking towards them, but then you'll shamelessly go meet another person and you think they're just as amazing. And then after a while, there could be a whole bunch of people that you have a crush on and that you think are amazing, and you just went and flirted with all of them and basically planted seeds that you should probably never have planted in the first place. With your Mars in Libra, it's also extremely challenging for you to make a decision. This could be in relation to serious life decisions, or this can be in relation to small, silly decisions. So for example, when it comes to what car you want, you just cannot make up your mind, and you'll most likely ask other people what they think is the best car and what they think you should buy. At the end of the day, you'll most likely take the opinion of someone else because you just could not make up your mind whatsoever on your own. Or for example, when it comes to ordering off a menu at a restaurant, there might be so many options that you're just too overwhelmed and you just cannot choose what you want. So with a Libra Mars, you do rely on other people a lot to make decisions for you based on the fact that you struggle to come to a decision yourself. With a Libra Mars, you can also be very inclined to want to make sure that the actions that you take don't affect the people around you negatively. So Libra is basically a sign of the peacemaker and the lovemaker, and Libra represents peace and fairness and justice and equality. And with a Libra Mars, you want to make sure that whatever decisions you do make isn't going to disrupt anyone around you and is going to lead to the ultimate peace in your surroundings and your environment. You do not want to take an action if you know it's going to upset somebody. You would rather than prefer proceeding with the course of action that will not upset anybody. And because of this, it can be very difficult for you to make decisions because you're constantly considering everybody else in your decisions as well. With the Mars in Libra, you can also attract aggressive or energetic people. So do be very aware of this. You have an ability to attract very high vibrational people to you. And these could be high vibrational in a positive or in a negative way. So you could attract somebody to you who has lots and lots of aggressive energy in them. Or you can attract a person to you who has so much energy, they just need to be moving all the time. Do be very aware of what you attract when you are out there looking for a partner, and don't settle too quickly on something that's not going to work for you.